Welcome to a quick note. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of the Gaia hypothesis, where Earth is more than just a planet, it's a living system. Curious to know more? Stick around. And hey, if you enjoy these quick dives into fascinating topics, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to a quick note for more insightful explorations. Ever thought about whether our Earth is alive? What's the deal with the Gaia hypothesis? And who even came up with it? Imagine exploring the solar system, checking out planets like Mercury, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, and maybe even reminiscing about Pluto. Guess what? Earth is like the coolest spot. Other planets? Well, they're either scorching hot, freezing cold, or just plain inhospitable. Earth, though, is like the Goldilocks of planets, it's just right. Look around, and you'll see billions of humans, tons of fish in the sea, and a crazy number of animal species. Throw in insects, bacteria, fungi, and a bunch of different plants, and you've got a full-blown Earth party. Earth is bursting with life. Cool, right? Is Earth more than just a planet in our solar system? Some scientists have been pondering this for decades. Sure, Earth isn't alive like a person, a badger, a mosquito, or even a tomato plant. But here's the twist: throughout history, many folks treated Earth as if it were alive. Take Native Americans and other native groups worldwide, for instance. They believed Earth was alive. Even the ancient Greeks got in on it with a goddess they called Gaia. Now, here's the cool part: the Gaia hypothesis. In the 1970s, a British chemist named James Lovelock and an American biologist named Lynn Margulis came up with this idea. They named it after the ancient Greek goddess Gaia. But here's the twist: it's not saying Earth is a living thing, but more like a big, interconnected system. Interesting, right? The Gaia hypothesis isn't your typical scientific idea that you can test in a lab. It's more like a way of thinking about the world, a unique perspective. According to Margulis and Lovelock, Earth isn't just a passive rock, it acts more like a living system. Imagine this. Earth seems to keep itself in check, like it has a built-in thermostat. Lovelock and Margulis called it homeostasis, a fancy word for self-regulation. Things crucial for life, like temperature, oxygen in the air, and saltiness in the oceans, stay surprisingly stable. Here's the twist: these life-sustaining factors rely a lot on living things to stay balanced. While not everyone jumped on board with the Gaia idea at first, in recent years, more and more scientists are taking a fresh look at Earth's complex systems, inspired by Lovelock and Margulis. It's like Earth has its own way of keeping everything in harmony. Scientists are starting to think that Earth and life here have been on a journey together, evolving hand in hand. It's not just life reacting to the environment. Life is actually shaping and altering the surroundings at every turn. Think of Earth as this massive, intricate system where the environment and living things are in a constant dance, influencing each other. It's like a giant, self-regulating puzzle. Earth isn't alive in the way a plant, animal, or person is, but it acts a lot like a living system. It's pretty mind-blowing to see how Earth and life have this ongoing relationship that shapes the planet we call home. That wraps up our quick journey into the Gaia hypothesis. We hope you found it as intriguing as we did. If you're hungry for more bite-sized insights, don't forget to show some love by liking this video and subscribing to a quick note. Your support keeps our curiosity flowing. Until next time, stay tuned and stay curious.